the last bit of our sum and difference formula stuff has to do with triangles. So I'm going to ask you to find the sum of a sine of some angle x plus y. If I tell you what sine of x is and what cosine of y is, and it might not always be the same, but I'll give you enough information to get you started. So I'm going to use the sine plus formula. So that's this one. I'm going to say sine x plus y equals sine of x cosine of y plus cosine x sine y. Okay? And you already know a few things here. You know sine of x already. Okay, so sine of x is 2/5. I don't know cosine of x, so I'm going to draw a triangle. Just like we normally would here, where sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so those didn't show up very well, O and H. So if this is my theta, and I don't know what it is, my opposite should be 2, and my hypotenuse should be 5. And then to find my adjacent side, I need to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 2 squared plus, I don't know why I'm calling it b, but I'm going to. So 4 plus b squared equals 25. And then you will subtract 4 minus 4 would be 21. So b is the square root of 21. So that would go here. And I need to know that because then I know the cosine of x is 21 over 5. Square root of 21 over 5, sorry. For cosine of y, I already know the cosine of y. I can fill that in here. And I hope you see that I'm using a different color. I need to use a different, like this is triangle y instead of triangle x. And so that can get confusing, but you need to draw 2 triangles. And this should be 6, 10. So then I'll have to, again, do my 6 squared plus equals 10 squared, so I should get 36 plus b squared equals 100. And 100 minus 36 should be, what, 64? So then this will be 8. So the sine of this triangle y then should be 8 over 10. And I have a plus sign there. So now you can multiply. Over here I have 12 over 50 plus the square root of 8. 8 squared is 21 over 50. And then you can add them together like this. This is a fine answer if you want. You could also, that just moves my work, sorry, that makes things messy. You could also simplify. They each divide by 2. So then I could have 6 plus 4 square roots of 21 over 25 could be my final answer. And I think I left 4 of these for you to do on the homework.